at ngalawag malauna. Inis na sa mga aitas, ang hamiling yuta sa mga tabuno. Kanindot nining langit tungkasa, sa lungsod na itong gitawag o kalatrama. Inandang gayon sa kahitasan, ang nagkalain-lain na
Signed by Municipal Mayor Marilyn A. Terra, SP Chairman and Tourism, Kylie Anieva P.I. Science. Let's give a round of applause, please. Next judge is Mr. Ginny Clifton Belsa. A round of applause, please. Last but not the least, Sir Nilio A. Apusaga. Thank you so much. Crystal G. Kapantulan. Congratulations. The second place goes to Miss Padillon Edgardo Jr. Congratulations, sir. Fire Raven Grace! A round of applause, please. Congratulations. Miss Anna Marie Laguna.
Madam Imelda, to the organizer, Ma'am Judy, to Sir Ray, and to Sir Arceo, to the judges, to Ma'am Angel, to Sir Carlos, to all the artists sa tanan nga naadili roon maayong gabi. So in behalf of the Municipality of Calatrava, we are grateful to the local artists who supported our mural painting. No? So gitagaan din ninyo kinabuhi ang ato ang centennial celebration. So, congratulations to the organizers. So, I hope to see you all on our next mural painting. So, daghang salamat ug larga kalatrapan.
Thank you, SB Kylie. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today. Congratulations once again, and to all our winners and participants. This is Cristel Marie B. Alcazar, your host, signing off. Enjoy